Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Tracy. This is Cisprog 5, and this is an orientation so that you can see what you need to do here on Canvas for our online class for the fall semester of 2020. If you've logged on to Canvas, which you probably have if you've got this video, you should see something that looks a lot like this. When you are looking at it, I have provided a lot of links on here, and what you need to look at each week is going to be listed according to these topics. Each one of these topics has their own page, and each one of those pages has an assigned assignment, a discussion, and a quiz. So that's what we're going to do every week, is work on assignments and discussions and quizzes. Start by taking a look at the announcements. The announcements are going to go straight to your Panther email, so you might get them that way. But they're also going to tell you what you should work on for the week. This is just a welcome announcement. You probably got it. The syllabus for this class is listed here, and the syllabus is going to show you how you can get in contact with me. Email is the best way, tracy.coacher@chaffey.edu, and there's my phone number. That's for voicemail only. Also, I am going to schedule regular class meetings that won't be mandatory, but that you can choose to join optionally through Zoom for questions and discussion on the topics of the week. I will send out further information about when those will be. I'm also willing to schedule personal one-on-one Zoom meetings. If you want to discuss with me and have a little time with regards to any of the projects, or problems, or questions, or topics, or anything within the class, just make sure you let me know in advance. This class is computer application design and construction using Python, and will cover the fundamentals of Python through data structures and object-oriented programming. And upon successful completion of the course, you should have a pretty good understanding in how to use Python. The course itself has projects, quizzes, and discussions, one each week, and that's where the points break up to. At the end of the class, I'm also going to ask you to complete and present a case study. I'll give you more information about that when we get closer. The textbook is Fundamentals of Python, First Program by Kenneth A. Lambert. It looks like this. It's available in the bookstore. The grading is based on 90% today, kind of a standard scale, out of 1,000 points. Here is the tentative schedule, which shows you that in this first week, we're covering Intro to Python. As you take a look at the schedule, it's tentative because I might change it. If I feel we need to put some more time on a certain topic, we will. I have a quick link to the schedule, so you don't have to keep going back every time. And on that schedule, I will keep this one updated. This week we're doing Introduction to Python, and it gives you a week 1 to-do list and the things that you should take care of this week. There's also a video about Introduction to Python that goes through the PowerPoint for this week and describes everything you need to know. When you look through, each page is going to have an overview, the objectives of things to complete, and probably some extra resources like are listed here. At the very bottom of this page is your work for this week. There's an assignment, a quiz, and a discussion, as promised. Every week it'll be fairly similar, and you'll be able to find all the information you need. Keep an eye on your to-do list over here on the right, because that's going to show you the announcements and what the assignments are that are coming up. In addition to that, I've posted an expectations page, and this is just because I want you to read this and know that I do expect you to stay in the class. If you decide not to attend the class anymore, then I don't know if you've dropped or just, lost your computer connection. I don't know. So please make sure that if you want to drop the class, you handle that yourself. Late work will not be accepted. It's due every week on Sunday at 11:59 p.m. I will assign it on Monday, and then you have the remainder of the week to complete it. All assignments are due on the day posted on the schedule. If you have some extenuating circumstances, contact me prior to the due date, and I can make arrangements if I feel it's justified. I've also included on this expectations a little bit about student behavior at Chaffey and about plagiarism. So I'd like you to read that, make sure that you understand it. Let me know if you have any questions. The resources listed here on the home page give you access to a lot of the resources that are available, and many of them have changed because of primarily teaching online. Note that on here on Canvas, there is a link to a student support. Student Support Hub gives you access to things like the library and counseling and advising and career center and even online tutoring. So pay attention to that. Also, because our website's changed, I've added a whole bunch of student resources that you might not know how to access. See if any of these are interesting to you or can provide you help, or maybe something you want to find out more about. And you can check the link or the phone number as listed. We are getting started this week with Introduction to Python. So the assignment, the week's discussion, and the quiz are already posted, and you can go ahead and hit the ground running. I'm going to send out further information about, I'm going to try and schedule a Zoom meeting, so be looking for that. If you have any questions at all, you can always contact me. A quick link right here at the top, and we'll give you a bit of information about the course and how to contact me. And that's right there. So I hope to hear from you. And I hope you have a great semester. Talk to you soon.